back with another video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, not a thumbs down. Comment down below for more suggestions, and most important, subscribe and press that notification bell so you won't miss. Today I'm going to be trying 3 ingredient recipes that are going to be desserts from Tasty, also known as BuzzFeed. So let's get to it. Stay tuned. Today we're going to be making triple decker box brownies. So it only requires 3 ingredients. So I have the brownie batter, Oreos, and the cookie dough. So first I'm gonna add the cookie dough onto this. It's supposed to be a 9-inch pan, but we didn't have 9 by 9, so I added 8 by 8. So it's already greased, so I'm gonna add. So after I just added the cookie dough, now I'm gonna add the sandwich cookies. Now I'm gonna add the brownie batter on top so it can be a triple decker. Is preheated to 350 degrees, and I am gonna set the cook time to, it says to 450 to no, not 450, sorry, to 45 minutes, 45 through 50 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna keep it like to 47 minutes. I just took out the brownies, the triple decker box brownies, but now I'm going to be making peanut butter cookies, which only requires peanut butter, sugar, and an egg. to our our last final dessert. So it's gonna be a 3-ingredient chocolate strawberry braid. What I have with me is 1 sheet of puff pastry, and then I have chocolate chips, 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, but I will melt them. And then I have strawberries, the stems and the half of it. The stems and the halves, yeah. The halves are cut, they're cut into half, and also the stems are removed. So taste test them. So the first one I'm going to be doing is the triple decker box brownies. So let's get started and taste test this triple decker brownie. So the Oreo, it ended up being on top instead of the middle between the brownie batter and the cake mix. It's like it was mixed into it. So it's something I should have done. I didn't really listen to the recipe. I just added all the batter. And then instead of adding, it was supposed to be half a box of the brownie mix. I added the whole box, and also I made the cookie dough. I didn't buy the cookie dough. So that must have been the problem with this, because it's not level, it's not layered. But overall, I give this video I give this treat a 7 out of 10. So the next dessert is the peanut butter cookies. This was just made with a cup of peanut butter, a half cup of sugar, and also 1 egg. So I'm gonna try this. It actually really looks good. Overall, this is a 9 out of 10. Maybe because of the taste, it's not as sweet, but that's how it's supposed to taste like. but it's pretty tasty, but I would still rate it a 9 out of 10. So let's move on to the next recipe. So the final recipe is a 3-ingredient chocolate strawberry braid. So I cut it in half to see, like, to show y'all the in between. So it's kind of messy, but this is kind of how it looks like in between. I'll show like the pictures, but now I'm gonna try it. So hopefully this is interesting. So overall, I give this dish a 10 out of 10 because the strawberry, maybe because it's still hot, but the strawberry and the chocolate, it kind of melts in my mouth along with the dough, which is actually really good. So the one that I like most out of all of these 3 dishes. So first place would be the 3-ingredient chocolate strawberry braid. Second place would be the peanut butter cookies. And then third place would be the triple decker box brownie. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, not a thumbs down. Comment down below for more suggestions, and most important, subscribe and press that notification bell. Also check my other 2 videos, which will be up or up there, who cares. But anyways, bye.